guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use Roboneo. It is free, I think. Well, so far it's free, but you're just going to get this prompt. If you want it, I'll put the link in the description box down below and copy it. If you want, you can also create your own character, obviously, and you're just going to copy the first scene as well as the scene prompt in this section here, and it's going to think, and it's going to make a video for you. Unfortunately, it's taking way too long for me to show you the end result, but here, as you can see, most of it's like the same character as well, and then again you'll describe the character. It's very tedious though, but okay, let me craft this carefully. I think it's going to take longer as it is a free app. We're just going to be super patient with it. And once you're done, it's obviously going to create the scene. Okay, maybe I can wait a little bit. Right here, you can see there's 8 scenes, I guess. If you want to make your own prompt like this, you do need to list the characters and their description, as well as the what they're wearing, the scene tone, emotion, style. Okay, for this one, even you don't have to put the scene and style, but you still need to add face, hair, skin, build, outfit. So the character will look the same for all of it. I think if you were to get this paid version, you don't have to describe it every single time you put in a prompt. You can just put in a prompt, and you can make the character so that it looks the same throughout the whole thing. But okay, I can't wait that long, I guess. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Oh, here it is. Sorry. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. You can also turn this into a video. Maybe type in generate this into a video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.